Check out this Instagram page. It has already gained over 37.8K followers, and their videos are pulling in millions of views right now. And what are they posting? Literally staircase ASMR videos. Yeah, just stairs. Welcome to the internet. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral staircase ASMR videos using completely free AI tools. First, let me show you what I made in less than 7 minutes. All right, let's get started. First, I've created a master prompt for you that's extremely powerful for creating these types of videos. So just copy the entire prompt. And trust me, make sure you copy every single part. One missing line and your AI suddenly starts acting like it lost its mind. Now open Claude AI and paste it into the prompt box. Then it will generate 10 different staircase ideas for your video. You can choose whichever one you like, but for this example, I'm going with number 3. So I simply type 3 into the prompt box and hit send. Now Claude AI will generate a text-to-video prompt that's insanely detailed. Seriously, this thing writes like it's trying to win an Oscar. Copy that prompt. Now open Flow AI and go to Create Video. Set your aspect ratio, paste the prompt here, and hit generate. And within seconds, your video will be ready. Take a look at this. It looks super satisfying as the person walks on it, exactly like those viral videos blowing up right now. You can save it from here, and using this same method, you can create unlimited variations like this completely for free. So yeah, that's exactly how you can create viral staircase ASMR videos using free AI tools. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe to my channel AI Excentra so you don't miss the next viral niche before everyone else copies it. I'll see you in the next video.